Hello students, welcome to your maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SGJ DAV School, Haripura. We are going to start our worksheet number 2 of chapter 4, fractional number. In this first question is compare. What is the meaning of compare? Compare means you have to tell the number which one is greater and which one is the smaller. Compare the fraction. It means in this you have to compare the fractions. A method is given by cross multiplication method. There are different methods to compare the number. But here a method is given, that is cross multiplication. That's why we use a cross multiplication method to solve this, to compare these numbers. Now two numbers are given, first 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. With the cross multiply means numerator of 1 and denominator of the second is multiplied, and denominator of the first and the numerator of the second are the multiplied. When we multiply 1 with the 4 and 2 with the 1, multiplication जो इनकी आएगी वो हमने नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिखनी है. 1 into 4 4, 2 into 1 is 2. Now 4 and 2 numbers we get. One important thing, firstly write the multiplication of the first numerator and the second denominator on the left hand side, and in the right hand side write the denominator of the first and numerator of the second. Now their multiplication is 4 and in this multiplication is 2. Now 4 is greater, that's why we mark the greater sign. And now we write the fractional number. Our left hand side is 1 by 2 and our right hand side is 1 by 4. Similarly वही साइन लगाएंगे. इट मीन्स 1 by 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1 by 4. अब ये अगर हम फिगर के अकॉर्डिंग भी चेक करें कि फिगर में क्या बनेगा, कि अगर हमारे पास इसको हमने सेम टाइप के बॉक्स बनाए, इसमें हमारे पास इसको हमने 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया और इसको हमने टोटल 4 पार्ट्स में कर दिया. अब यहाँ आपको पता चल ही जाएगा कि कौन सा शेडेड पार्ट बिगर है. दिस वन इज बिगर एंड दिस वन इज स्मॉलर. इट मीन्स दिस इज द 1 by 4th पार्ट, दिस इज द 1 by 2 पार्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकेंड पार्ट. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now again we cross multiply it, numerator of the first and the denominator of the second. The next step, denominator of the second multiply with the numerator of the second, is 5 multiply 3. 3 4s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now 15 is greater, it means right hand side is 3 by 4 and the left hand side is 3 by 5. It means 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 5. See the C part. 9 by 10 and 2 by 5. Cross multiply it. 9 multiply with the 5, 10 multiply with the 2. 9 5s are 45, 10 2s are 20. Now 45 is greater, it means 9 by 10 is greater than 2 by 5. The D part is 4 by 9 and 5 by 18. 4 multiply with the 18 and 9 multiply with the 5. 18 4s are multiply करके चेक करोगे 72, 9 5s are 45. 72 is greater, it means 4 by 9 is greater than 5 by 18. जिधर हमने ग्रेटर का साइन लगाया है वैसे ही पहला नंबर फर्स्ट का न्यूमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई विद द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ सेकंड वो बिगर आया है तो लेफ्ट वाला ही लेफ्ट पे लिखना है. अगर आप ये चीज़ उल्टा लिख दोगे इट मीन्स योर आंसर कम्स रॉन्ग. ठीक है. नाउ रिमेनिंग 2 पार्ट्स यू कैन डू योर सेल्फ एंड लेट्स सी द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. The second question is again compare by taking LCM. Now you have to take the LCM of the given number. First one is 7 by 2 and 5 by 3. It means you have to take the LCM of 2 and 3, their denominators. LCM 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. It means LCM is 2 into 3, 6. Now you have to make the डिनोमिनेटर 6. अब 2 है यहाँ पर, 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करके 6 आया, 3 से. इट मीन्स वी मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द नंबर्स 6. 7 3 ज़ा 21, 2 3 ज़ा 6. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द लाइक फ्रैक्शन. अब 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 6 आएगा. यहाँ पे हमें पता चल जाएगा एलसीएम से ही 2 से. 5 2 ज़ा 10, 3 2 ज़ा 6. नाउ बोथ द नंबर बिकम लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. Now 21 by 6 and 10 by 6. 21 is the bigger number. It means 21 किससे बना था, 7 by 2 से. 7 by 2 is bigger than the 5 by 3. See the second part. 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. Firstly take the LCM of the 6 and 4. डिवाइड इट विद द 2. 2 के टेबल पर 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे 3. 2 2 4. नाउ अगेन ऑन द 2. आफ्टर दैट विद द 3. इट मीन्स एलसीएम इज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12. LCM is 12. Now we have to convert it into the like fraction, and when we take the 5 by 6 to making the 6 12, we multiply it with the 2. That's why we multiply the numerator also 2 with the denominator also 2. 5 2 ज़ा 10, 6 2 ज़ा 12. now for the making the 4 12, 4 को 12 बनाना है, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 से. now 3 3 ज़ा 9 and 4 3 ज़ा 12. now which one is bigger, 10 by 12 or 9 by 12? 10 by 12 is bigger, and 10 by 12 is formed with the 5 by 6, and 9 by 12 formed with the 3 by 4. It means 5 by 6 is bigger than the 3 by 4. Let's see the C part. 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. Take the LCM of 4 and 5. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 1 ज़ा 2. 5 डिवाइड नहीं होता तो we write 5 as it is. now LCM is 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 5 ज़ा 20. now make the 1 by 4, denominator is 20. it means 4 is multiplied with the 5. 4 5 ज़ा 20. now take the second number 2 by 5. make the denominator 20. we multiply it with the 4. 5 4 ज़ा 20 and 2 5 ज़ा 2 4 ज़ा 8. हमें ये पता कहाँ से चलता है, हम एलसीएम से चेक कर सकते हैं, या हमने 20 बनाना है तो 20 को 5 से डिवाइड करो, 4 आएगा, 4 से हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. पिछले क्वेश्चन में क्या था, यहाँ 12 था, 12 बनाना था, क्या करना था, 12 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2. इट मीन्स हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 4 को 12 बनाना था, 12 को 4 से डिवाइड किया तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, 3. तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अब नेक्स्ट इसमें कौन सा बिगर है, नंबर क्या आ गया हमारे पास, 5 by 20 एंड 8 by 20. बिगर नंबर 8 by 20. 5 by 20 बने 1 by 4 से, 8 by 20 बने 2 by 5 से. इट मीन्स 2 by 5 इज बिगर. लेट्स सी द डी पार्ट. 3 by 10 and 3 by 4. take the LCM of the 10 and 4. 2 के टेबल पर, again on the table of 2. now again on the table of 5. now 2 into 2 into 5, it's 20. again LCM is 20. अब 20 बनाने के लिए 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे, क्या आया, 2. इट मीन्स वी मल्टीप्लाई इट विद द 2. 4 को 20 बनाने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 5 से. 15 upon 20. now which one is the bigger, 15 by 20. 15 by 20 किससे बने, 3/4 से, और 6/20 किससे बने, 3/10 से. Clear? Now the remaining two parts you can do yourself. Let's see the third question. Third question is, compare the following fraction. No method is given. कोई method नहीं given है. You can use any method. ठीक है. 5:1/2 and 5/2. Firstly convert it into the proper or improper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 and 1 11/2 and 5/2. In this they are in the like fraction, that's why 11/2 is greater. It means 5:1/2 greater than 5/2. In the second part it's 9/7 and 1:2/7. Firstly convert into a fraction. 7 1s are 7, 7 and 2 both are same, that's why equals. Now the C part is 19/7 and 2:1/6. Convert it into a fraction. 6 2s are 12 over 1, 13/7. Sorry, 6, 13/6. Now you can use the cross multiplication. 19 into 6 and 13 into 7. 13 7s are 91 and 19 6s are 9 6 are 54. 5 carry and 6 or 5 11. 114 is greater than, it means 19/7 greater than 2:1/6. And the D part 4:3/4 and 20/5. 4 4s are 16, 16 and 3 19/4. This one is 20/5. Use the cross multiply. 19 into 5 and 4 into 20. 19 into 5 is 95 and this one is 80. 95 is bigger, it means 4:3/4 greater than 20/5. Like this you can complete your whole worksheet. This now your worksheet number 2 is complete. Thank you.